Hello, everyone, and welcome. My name is Brianne Montgomery, and I'm a recent graduate from a local university, Fayetteville State University, with a bachelor's in healthcare administration. I am the new CEO here at Womack Army Medical Center, and I am so excited to learn, develop, and grow into my new role. As a leader, it is one of my top priorities to motivate and empower my team. It is important to me to be a leader that is for my people. This is why I felt that it was really important for me to come in and speak with you all face to face today. My hope is to lay a strong foundation and to get us all off on the correct foot. I would like to start off by talking about some values that are very important in our organization. Some of these values include, but are not limited to, excellence, compassion, integrity, accountability, and service before self. These are all very important values here at Womack Army Medical Center. So, what is our mission? Our mission here is to provide the highest quality of health care, maximize the medical deployability of the forces, ensure readiness of Womack personnel, and sustain exceptional education and training programs. So you may ask, why are these things important? Here at Womack, we provide health care to about 200,000 TRICARE beneficiaries. Each and every one of those beneficiaries deserve the highest quality of health care. It does not matter if these beneficiaries are active duty, reservists, or even family members. They all deserve top-notch care. We also are an essential component of the mission that takes place here on Fort Bragg every single day. It is important for our soldiers and our military members to maintain health and readiness so that they are able to deploy at any needed time. It is a requirement for each and every soldier to be medically cleared before they are able to deploy. It is very important to the United States as a whole to have forces that are ready to go at any time necessary. So, I want to ask you, what do you think we are looking for in employees for our organization? I can tell you, we seek out ordinary people who have extraordinary hearts to care for those who wear the uniform, as well as their families. We are so happy to have all of you join our team. Here, you will have the opportunity to work in a very diverse, state-of-the-art environment that will allow you to collaborate with people from many, many different backgrounds. You may be asking yourself, why is this so important to collaborate with others? Collaborating with others is a great way to draw from their experiences, which can positively contribute to your own personal growth. Here at Womack, personal and professional growth is a priority. We want to help each and every one of you be successful. In 2015, Womack was awarded the Outstanding Achievement Award in Scholarly Activity. This award recognized Womack Residency Program as the best in research and scholarly activity across the entire Department of the Defense. I think that it is important to know that the Department of Defense includes all branches of the military, so this award put Womack against all military healthcare facilities, not just Army facilities. We truly emphasize research and innovation here and know that each and every one of you have something amazing to bring to the table. It is a goal of ours to continue to move healthcare forward, one day at a time. I would like to take a moment to share a quote with you. This is one of my favorites by General George C. Marshall, U.S. Army. Mr. Marshall said, "There is no limit to the good that you can do if you don't care who gets the credit." I think this is a mantra that many of us should live by. Here in healthcare, we have a common goal to take care of those in need. It does not matter who gets the credit. We are a team,